Hey everybody, I just wanted to give you folks, a thank you. We hit 100 subscribers, and I am super thankful for it. I don't know what else to say. I am, like I said, super grateful. I mean, I know it's only 100, but you know, yeah, I appreciate it. I was gonna do like something more fun than this, but you know, I just wanted this to be a chill thing. It's really not anything too crazy. And I wanted to talk about a few things. So, I went to Cedar Point the week after I went to Kennywood. I just didn't film anything because I was with a bunch of people and just wanted to kind of vibe out, you know, just chill. And then we had a lot of fun. We got a ride on Steel Vengeance, which is always fun. You know, the lines weren't too long for it, and it's shocking. And we yeah. It was fun. We also went to Kennywood over the weekend. I finally got a ride on Steel Curtain, and not to sound, you know, ungrateful that my home park got a new ride, but wow, I was really disappointed. It had quite a bad rattle. You know, people talk about, like, the rattle that's on Banshee, etc. I think this ride even had a worse rattle than Banshee. Yeah, it was really something. Kinda shocked. I mean, it's fun, the transitions are great, but the rattle really hurts it a lot. A lot, in my opinion. It, like, hurt my ears. You know what I mean? So, it is what it is. But yeah, thank you so much for sticking with this channel. I know it's been through a bunch of different things, and I'm probably going to Cedar Point this weekend, so I think I'll do some vlogs there. I just have, you know, a lot of fun doing it. I wish... Maybe I'll do a top 10 coasters. But, here's the thing. I haven't ridden... You know, my credit count is in the mid-30s, so a lot of people would be like, well, you know, you're not a true enthusiast, you've got to get that credit count higher, and so I don't feel justified in making, like, a top 10, maybe, like, a top 5, yeah, and I can do that. Just let me know what you guys want, or what you folks want, or if you want anything at all. If not, then I guess, never mind, fine. But I'll see you in the next video we make. Cadence will be, my sister, she will be in some of these videos, you know, but, appreciate it. I know this was like a kind of boring 100 subscriber special, but let me know what you folks think I should do. Alright, see ya.